This 2005 Toyota Matrix is running with a check engine light, so I'm gonna figure it out and see what's going on. It had a tune-up done to it not too long ago, and I think it's still misfiring. So let's check these codes out. Current codes. It's got a cylinder 2 misfire. So grab your 10mm. We're gonna pop this cover off. I can see the engine missing. Let's throw a new coil on here and see how it does. Well, it seems to be running a lot better now. I'm gonna go and clear these codes and drive it around. See if that does it. Lights off. I'm gonna let it hang out for a bit while I put the cover back on. All right, the cover's back on. She's running real smooth. The plugs were just changed on this vehicle. If it weren't for that, I would have been removing the plugs and inspecting them. But I was fairly confident that the issue was just with the coil because the tune-up was recently performed.